I found out that cleaning floors with a mop is different. If you have 10 employees, the floor looks like 10 different ways. But using a floor washing machine, it looks like the same by every 10 people. And now the problem is that we don't have the 10 people anymore because we miss employees. We need them. So that's why I think of robots. My name is Schmidt Holm. I have this company. I'm the owner of CurantTeknik APS. And that's a small company that sells floor washing machines and everything for the cleaning area. And we now sell robots as well. Oh, hey. Okay, this is my main entrance for my company. This is where we can show machines moving around. I know we started this one up because you are here now, but you can see the detailed way of the machine moving around. So it's a robot fitting itself to the environment. So please welcome. I started up as a butcher in a supermarket. And there we clean the supermarket every day, the butcher area. So it was easy for me to go into the cleaning industry. So 25 years ago, I made a small cleaning company. I started up because I didn't want to be a butcher anymore. And this company, I learned a lot. And that was the beginning of thinking a lot of how to clean floors. I started 2009 selling those kind of floor wash machine. I got an agreement with a big company producing floor wash machines. At that time they asked me, can you repair them? Can you make the service of these machines? I told them, yes, no problem. And they gave me a bunch of drawings, so I can see the technical parts. So for me to repair a tractor, because my father was a farmer, or a motorcycle or a car, it's the same as a floor wash machine. So I know I've learned a lot in all these years, but when a customer calls me, we always offer them to call us. They can always call us so that we can keep the machine running. That's a very important thing. And so that's what we are talking about in the beginning. Then what kind of issues the customer had until now? Do they have problems and stuff like that? So that they don't buy the machine of what they used to do, but they talk to me about this is the daily issue, this is the weekly, this is the monthly issue. And then we combine the machine with the right chemical, the dosing system, so that they don't use too much. It's about the environment. And then we get close to what kind of machine we need to use, and then show the customer that we know a lot of all that kind of things, that how to clean, right chemical, right machine for the right job, how big is the area and stuff like that. So that's kind of a little interview with the customer, but it's also my way of showing them that we know a lot of this and we would like to give them what they need to have, not what they wish to have. And that's the important thing, because maybe what they wish to have is the wrong size of the machine. It's all about human. It's about the employees. It's about making them feel well in the company. To listen to them, that's the everyday issue. If you're good at that, then the people would like to stay in your company, and you don't, lose an employee, get a new one, lose the one more, and get a new one. That means that you use a lot of time on learning them how to. So if you can keep them in the company, that's our main situation here. That's what we work hard to do, to keep them in the company. I would say in the last 5 years, we have never seen anything like it, because that's where we really get hit of this not having enough employees. We have never seen that before. So what's happening? Yeah, it's like the companies, they also have this problem. They cannot find employees. So why put an important employee on a floor wash machine and use time on that one? So when they clean the floor in the industry, for example, they really hard time clean, because they don't do it that often. What they should do is keep cleaning. That's keeping it in a very good level of cleaning. That means that the air is more healthy, and the floors, doesn't give that much dust. The employees don't get that much sick. So it's about many things. So what I can give them with a robot, for example, is that I can take the employee that they have to put on this floor wash machine. I can give them this for free, because they have hired him, and this employee can do a lot of other things. So I think the robots are here to help the companies, because it will not get different. In the cleaning section, in the next 5 years, we'll have more than 40,000 persons less in the next 5 years. So the level now is not good, but it will be very bad in 5 years. So if you don't start thinking about robots now, you have an extremely big problem in 5 years. As you can see here, it doesn't only sweep the floor, it's also vacuum and wash the floor. So it makes 3 things in one time. We do a lot of repairing of machines, also robots. So I have tried to repair some of the other robots, because there are other companies here in Denmark that sell robots, but they cannot repair them. That's the funny part of it. So, hey, buy a robot from me, but I cannot repair it. That's, not good. So we are technicians. We can repair the robot. If the program and the computer system breaks down, Sveabot is actually that fast, because I can use WhatsApp, I can use different kind of communication point to contact them, and within a half an hour, sometimes 10 minutes, I can answer back. So that's actually one of the most important things, that you don't get, you buy a robot, but you're not left alone with it. So Sveabot, they are there for you. That's the main thing. That means that you can develop together, you can communicate, you can find the problems if you have a problem. If the robot is not good enough in a small area, a small things should be better, I can actually take a picture and ask them, can you do this different? And they listen. So Sveabot is a new kind of partner where you can solve problems together. And I've not seen that anywhere else. So that's why I work together with Sveabot.